of a hurricane, dark skin of a summer shade.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, a Cho, and I'm back with another hair video. And this, look at these juicy, and the scalp. Look at these juicy curls. I got this from ISEE Hair. This is what it came in. Man, let me tell you, it took like 2 weeks to come, no cap, like. But I understand we're in the middle of a freaking pandemic and ordering is backed up or whatever. But let me show y'all. So this is a Kinky curly short 14-inch wig. It was 180 density and it's a 13x4 frontal. Yes, man, I'm getting freaking to it. So I'm gonna show y'all like what came with it. This, you know, little information or whatever. The cap, like always, I don't use this color. I use like a brownish color or whatever. And these lashes, these are actually really cute, and I'm going to wear these. Like, these are really cute. Yeah, these are cute. 3D mink hair. Yeah, Cho's gonna wear those next time I wear lashes. But yeah, I love the curls. I actually like the hair. It's really soft. However, it sheds really bad. Like, I only got it yesterday. I just installed it, like literally just finished. My curls are like semi-wet. Yeah, it kind of sheds bad, but I mean, it's fine because like the density is like perfect. So like the shedding will be okay, but it does shed bad. But then again, it is curly hair, so I'm not really like sweating it too bad. But yeah, I mean, the price was really good, so I would say I would recommend it for the price. Like, this is really cute hair. I'm gonna come back and record like what it looks like fully dry, so y'all can actually see. But yeah. So this is the hair. I already bleached, plugged, and everything to it. So I had freaking poked a hole in it, but here I'm going to add my elastic band. I'm going to measure it to my head or whatever. Oh, child. I really wanted to see how it looked on my head before I, you know, made my elastic band and sewed it on. Like, look at this hair. It looks so cute. And this is a brown lace. The lace actually wasn't that bad. It actually worked really well. So I'm stretching it. Make sure you stretch it and not just like, you know, measure it loosely. You have to stretch it. So I'm going ahead and I'm sewing it on. I think this is where like when I sewed it all the way on together, it was actually like not good enough, so I had to like restart and sew it closer. Just get into how pretty these curls look. This is just water on the curl, like so cute. As you can tell, I bleached it very well. So I'm going in with my powder. This is like the darkest shade I could find at the hair store. I do use a couple other colors that are dark because, you know, I'm dark skinned. It's so hard to find my color. Like, being able to match my color on my hair and my wigs and my sew-ins is literally the hardest thing I've ever did. As you can tell, it was not the right color, so I went in with another shade of dark and my other shade of dark. The other one, the purple one, I am like running out because it's the darkest one I could find. And it was like the best one. I've used it so much. So I had to keep going in to make it dark enough. And then I used my Got To Be and my blow dryer to like seal the color. And I just blow dried it until it felt like, you know, no powder, any color was rubbing off or anything like that. Now you can tell that the color is so much better. Like, you can tell it blends so much better into my skin than it did before. So now I'm going to get into cutting the lace. And child, I messed up because my little thing that I use, it was my first time using it. Like, I just bought it from the store and the razor was so sharp and I just messed up my lace, but you're gonna see. So this side, it was okay, but I think it's when I was actually cutting the lace, you know, on the forehead part is where I actually messed up. I got a little scissor happy. I don't know what was wrong with me, but I tried to fix the color because you could tell like it was still a little bit too light, like on the sides. On the top is fine, but I feel like it's fine because I don't really wear the wig behind my ear or whatever, but I can still see it. I was trying my hardest to fix it, but I mean, at the end, like, I guess it starts to look better, but it just still looks so funny. See, I did it again. It is just like on the sides. I didn't even try to like fix it as much. I don't know what got into me.
So I realized the lace was actually a tad bit too light. So I found this Fit Me, the darkest shade that I could find in the house. I think it was my mom's. Like, I don't even know why she has that color or whatever. So I used that and it ended up working pretty well. So as you can tell, I kind of got a little too much makeup on that side. That's why it looks so bald. But I mean, whatever, it's fine. I try to comb it out. I don't know what I thought that would do. So I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi foam mousse to lay my edges down, and then I'm going to use my elastic band. It's like a skinny elastic band to hold my edges down. And while I let that sit and marinate, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to lay down my edges. I don't like to do it too much because it is curly hair and I don't want it to be straight at the top and then curly. Like, that looks a mess. I took that little thing off and I was like, scalp love, where is it? Glueless. Going ahead and cut my baby hairs. I'm not really a fan of much baby hairs, so I'm only going to cut it a little bit. And then I'm going to go in my Nairobi mousse again and lay my edges and then lay them down. So I have a water bottle and I put a little bit of Aussie moisture conditioner. Shake that thing up. We're gonna spray it and then we're gonna add my Nairobi mousse again. Then I'm going to brush it a little bit. Every time I ran my fingers through the hair, it kept shedding. Like, how embarrassing during a freaking video. I tend to focus more on the front because the curls in the front and in the back are totally different. They're tighter in the back and looser in the front. So I have to, like, you know, do more with the front than the back. Here's the big reveal. Look how pretty it looks. It blends so well with my skin. I'm just combing my edges a little bit, you know, to look more natural and more fluffy. Just, girl, get into these freaking curls.
So yeah, this is what the curls look like. It's about 75% dry. So pretty.